Hello, my name is Andrei Ignat. I am a C# MVP, and in this video I'll show you one of my favorite tools. Today I want to show you how to take classes from JavaScript and put into the C#. Let's start with an example. So, your task is to make some nice full HTML charts that you'll make with your data. You go to the internet, you found, let's say, this chartist with this line chart example that you like very much. So you see here, it's a new chartist, it's a line with labels, with series and some properties here. You decide that this line is best fit for your customers, so you want to reproduce that. You go and make a MVC site. You first copy, let's see, the CDN. So here it copied the CDN with the CSS and the JavaScript, or you may want to use Bower, but let's suppose that we have the CDN. In the layout we just put the CDN here, right, for the chartist. Then you copy in the index the code that you have seen here in the example with Monday, Tuesday series, and you run the site. And if it all goes well, it will show you some chart. Yay, the chart is here. Now you want to take the values from the server, because your values should not be these hard-coded values with this series or maybe these labels. So you want an object that reproduce this data. How do you make this object in C#? And this is the point of our demonstration. You'll copy the object that comes from this point to this point. You put in this site. The site is JSON to C#, and you click generate. And you'll see that here you have a class root object with labels here, these labels, and series, this one, right? Okay, so you make an API controller. I have already made this. I have put the class that I have copied from JSON to C#, here this root object. I make an API controller. I put the get function. I put a new root object with the same list of string Monday, Tuesday, Friday, and the series, it's a list of double. Why it's that? Because it says it's an array here, that may be a list, and a list here for any values. And I said r series new list double, and add the same values that are there and return r. So what I do next, I just comment the hard-coded values and put the Ajax call. I have an Ajax call to the API myChart because it's my chart controller, and data type JSON and alert OK. And after alert, I replaced all this data with the data that comes from the server. Return data is the same here on a success. So let's see how it works. I save, I run again. After some time that the page is loading, you see that it's okay, the chart is not visible yet, and now the chart is visible. So, for example, how do you combine objects from JavaScript with Web API? It's simple. You just copy the object into the JSON to C#, you press generate, and you will have the C# object that you return for your Web API. Thank you.